Hey guys, it's me Millie, and today I'm going to show you these quick 2 toys, but I will get some slimes out, and one of them is going to be the giveaway. Yes. How do I open this? It might be a ball because it feels like a ball. Oh. I want to kill it. Nobody cares about me. Nobody cares about Dad. Be Dad, will you? I'll cut you into pieces. Let me get a bowl of scissors. You're gonna be Dad. You're there. Yes, it's a ball. Well done. Okay, let me try to find the LOL girl. Oh, dang it. I'm trying to show you, but it keeps on moving. Well, I will show you like a picture that down below, I think. What the hell is this flower? Well, they're not both toys. Let's see. Let's have this purple one. The ones what I'm showing you might be the giveaway. Don't know. Let's see this red one. Well, this is nice, as you can see, but and if you want a logo, well, I have to make one. No, I don't need to make one now. Right, I'm gonna do this clay one. No, because if you like a clay one, just hit it down in the comments below. I'll give these 2 out. Well, you can change these things up a bit, like take them out, but if you don't like them, just tell me in the comments and I will change it. So here's this nice bloody red one. So you like to say blood. What's that bloody? Oh my god. Here's a slime. It actually is red, but you can't see. Right. You can see it's red now. And it might be a little pink to you, but it ain't pink. It's red. Look into my eyes. Mo, 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 gonna kill you. Mo, mo. Oh, that's just a song. I'm never putting it on again. It was so freaky with my friend. My friend has a Musical.ly channel, but I don't think a YouTube. No. I'm gonna try to make it crack. Okay. if you like a song called Momo, because I would like you then, if you like Momo. If you don't, you ain't having the giveaway. Because I love Momo. It's the best thing ever. Do you want to see a picture of her? Okay, I'll show you a picture. Right, let's see. Dot. Momo, gonna kill you. Ready? Here it is. That's what Momo looks like. I hate Momo. Well, I do love her, yeah. What? Do you want to see her body? Ready? You think it's a normal body? It ain't. Look at this, Momo. Body. Look at this, ready? Look away. She has bird legs. Let's see this. What is the Momo talent? That's how freaky it is. I can't tell you, but it is. But I do love her. Baby Momo, baby Momo, baby Momo. Do you like Momo? If you like Momo, link it down in the comments because I will like you more. Momo, gonna kill you. You know Momo's gonna kill you. You always come for you. Oh, and I got a new ring. No, my dad gave it. I ain't got married. My dad gave it to me. It's a crown. Baby. Let's put that in there and let's put it back. And it's a Pandora. Yes. There's my giveaways. And subscribe. You might not subscribe because thing, but I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys next time.